And yet more gales. That particular theme really isn't going to change right the way through the rest of this week and even into the weekend. The winds have been picking up quite strongly from the west during this morning through into this afternoon. Those stronger winds gradually working their way out into the North Sea through this evening and overnight. A little bit quieter in the south during tomorrow, but even then we start to see the next level of gales beginning to push in to the northwest. And certainly severe gales, a possibility across many parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland, the north of England through the rest of today. Gusts 50, 60, even 70 miles an hour in some exposed areas. These are the areas we think are most likely to get strongest winds through this afternoon. So it's Northern Ireland, western parts of Scotland, into the north of England. Fairly light winds over eastern Scotland to start with, but here the gales arrive later this evening and for a time overnight. At least those strong winds have pushed the rain through quite quickly across England and Wales. Lots of blustery showers, though, following on behind. That rain taking a little bit longer, though, to clear from northern Scotland. It'll be moving here up into the Northern Isles. The showers that have been following on behind, though, turning increasingly wintry through this evening and for a time overnight, particularly across these more northwestern areas. But you'll see things tending to settle down once we get through into tomorrow. But for this afternoon, certainly lots of showers around coming in on those strong westerly winds. The best of any brightness, I think, across these more southeastern areas. We've seen some reasonable temperatures here as well, touching 14 degrees, but not for long. It's going to turn much colder as we go through the afternoon. So those westerly winds bring that cold air across many areas and really feeling very cold everywhere in those particularly strong winds. But then through tonight, as I mentioned, we are going to see wintry showers coming in on those gales across western parts of Scotland into the northwest of England. Could well cause some problems for travellers, I think, as those showers blow well inland, and over the higher level routes we could well see the snow piling up for a time, routes such as the A66 or through the M74. Temperatures tonight, though, generally holding above freezing due to those strong winds, perhaps just down close to freezing across central Scotland. On to tomorrow then, still plenty of lines on the chart, not quite as many though across England and Wales, so the wind's not quite as strong here, but still pretty breezy nonetheless. One or two wintry showers around still just to start the day across these northern parts, but even these tending to fade away, I think, through the afternoon. The best of any sunshine hanging on across the south and the east, but there's more rain and more gales coming into the northwest of Scotland and Northern Ireland later in the day. That weather front coming south is so bringing its rain with it during Thursday. Some severe gales again ahead of that system, blustery showers following on behind, and a straightforward mix of sunshine and showers during Friday. That's it.